I've said it before and I'll say it again. Every nook and cranny in our house has been stuffed with stuff, and this drawer is no different. This was supposed to be the original junk drawer. It is a piece of furniture in our living room behind our couch, and it was supposed to be meant for like putting junk in it, and it wound up becoming the spot for miscellaneous items like straws that we don't use, or appetizer forks, or this broken selfie stick that I thought I was going to like make into something else, and that just never happened. And it's just a totally random miscellaneous drawer. And so I knew I needed to go through it and rehome a lot of the items and also sell a lot of the items. So a lot of these things are listed on my Poshmark. This selfie stick that's broke definitely got tossed, and I just kind of cleared out this entire thing, and I'm really happy with this. We have some old phone cases in here. It's just so random. There's a pump in here for a workout ball that we do need to actually keep because we use the workout ball and in case it deflates, but like just so random. And then a bunch of these lighters for like a barbecue that at one point we were frantically searching for. We couldn't find them, and then we bought them in bulk, and now we just have so many. So anyway, so this is me just cleaning this out and basically putting stuff back in. Really happy with the outcome of this, and it's no longer a junk drawer, but like actually serves a purpose in our lives. So I'm really happy. Hope this inspires someone.